Hi guys, god morgen. Det tirsdagsmorgen, og vi har engelsk i lag. Yay! Of course! Dere sikkert lurer på hvordan vi skal gjøre det med muntlige presentasjoner i engelsk. Veldig godt spørsmål. Vi skal gjøre dem digitalt, selvfølgelig. Hvis du går inn på It's Learning, så ser du på det som skjer, og så har vi Oral Presentation Task Report. Jeg har oppdatert det med hensyn til innleveringsformen. Du må fortsatt lage den presentasjonen som du har laget, og det blir en litt annen måte til å levere det. Som du ser, new assignment guidelines. Given the teaching circumstances over the next week, that will be because of Corona, we have decided that you can deliver your presentations online. This is good news, okay? You will have more time to prepare it and to rehearse it, unlimited chances to get it right. You don't have to do it live in front of the class, and we're also going to play with some new technology, which will be good for your digital competency skills. Okay? So, step one, you've made your PowerPoint or your Sway or whatever presentation to back up your speech. Okay? That's step one, which you would have already done, and you were ready to present that today. You have to record that presentation using, for example, the program that I am using right now called Screencast-O-Matic. Basically, just log in. You don't even have to log in. You just press Launch Free Recorder, and it starts recording whatever's on your screen and whatever you say onto a video file. Yeah, that's the name of the website. If you want a tutorial about how to use it, Stain has made a fantastic tutorial video on YouTube, which you can watch, and he teaches you exactly step by step how you use the software, okay, so that you can watch it. When you're finished doing your presentation, that will say like you press record and then you run your PowerPoint presentation or whatever for 5 minutes, for example. Like it'll probably just look something like this. Say like here is, for example, your presentation. You just press full screen and then it will be like, okay, welcome to my oral presentation for English on blah, 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 and then you just present your topic as you would ordinarily have done in the classroom, okay? Then you save it up, publish it to, for example, your YouTube account or Vimeo. I think it's not that hard to log into YouTube. For example, here is my YouTube account, which is where you're watching this video now. Go into channel, for example. Screencast-O-Matic will automatically upload your videos here. And then once you've done that, you can share. I want you to share that link with us. Where is it? On something called Padlet. So here is a Padlet, which is basically like a big bulletin board where you can just post a link to your YouTube video with your presentation there. So for example, you press plus, plus, and then you write in my presentation, paste in the link from your presentation, copy, and then you can paste it there. Just pasted that link there to your YouTube video, and then it will be up there so that everybody can see it. Okay. I've given you another week, even though we were supposed to present these today. You now have 1 week to get that part done, to rehearse it, to record it, and to publish it onto that to this site. So by Monday, the 23rd of March, that was a Monday next week, all of your presentations should be up here on this Padlet. That is the due date. You got 1 more week, pretty much. Yeah. And then next week, part 2 will be watching. I will assign you 1 other student, and you have to watch their presentation and fill out that online assessment. But that's next week. Take that next week. Don't worry about that. Just focus on getting your presentations recorded, like I'm doing right now, uploaded, and then published to this Padlet. Okay. This checks a lot of boxes. This is really good for your digital competency skills and also really good for your English skills. And I'm really looking forward to you guys publish and post. Yeah, it's going to be fun. So good luck. Got another week, and see you soon.